You have to sit with your mother when she prepares curd. How she prepares? Setting of curd and cement is same, parallel. Like when you make a curd, your milk should not be too hot. Milk should not be too cold. Similarly, in case of concrete also. And there should not be any vibration. Same, setting of curd, and then what she puts some blanket, then make it cozy. So next morning you get not fat milk, you take tone milk, good crystal. Similarly, cement also. Too high cement will give more crack. It is more harmful. Cement should not be more than 450 also. kg per kilo. This is the cement zero time. Then after 50 minutes, after 60 minutes, so crystals have started. But when you are shaking, can you get the crystal? The curd को अगर आप हिलाते हैं, तो you will not get good crystal. So if you are doing a concreting, we should not have too much vibration over for some time, at least 6 hours till the final setting time. Final setting means after when you start joint cutting, that is the final setting time. Initial setting time is when you do tiling. When concrete is in a plastic condition, when you break a concrete and join, if it is joining, it is the initial setting time. You make a concrete ball, break it and join it. If it is joining, it is the initial setting time concrete. If you make a concrete, break it and not joining, start joint cutting. ठीक है? तो we have tricalcium silicate, we have dicalcium silicate, we get. This is the strength giving compound and 25% lime. This is the basic of the cement hydration. Fly ash or slag reacts on this only. And they make same compound. Fly ash or sand make same compound. So this is the reaction I have just shown you. Why we do cement testing at 3 days and 7 days? Tricalcium silicate sets at 3 days. Dicalcium silicate sets at 7 days. So we do cement testing at 3 days and 7 days. ठीक है sir? Now, why our cements are 33, 43? बोलिए sir. Why not 32? Why not 37? Why our cements are 33, 43, 53? क्या रीजन है? बोलिए सर. चलो second. Why it is? Why 33 represents? 33, 43 represents what? बोलिए सर.
Grades.
Grade means which parameter? Strength at 28. Correct. So strength at 28 day give you the grade. 53 grade, 53 grades. So whatever is the compressive strength of cement, sand, mortar, 1:3, that is the grade of the cement. Now my question is, why 43? Why not 42? Every test must stimulate with the field condition. What is the acceptance criteria of M40 concrete? बोलिए सर. For every sample का what is the acceptance?
FCK plus 3.
FCK plus 3. तो FCK plus 3 कब आएगा? जब आपका सीमेंट FCK plus 3 होगा. इसलिए मेरा सीमेंट 43 ग्रेड है. Because I have to use 43 grade concrete, तो my cement should be 43 grade. ठीक है? Why our cements are 43? If you are making M30, we are using M30, M40, M50 grade concrete. But my acceptance is for M30, 33, for M40, 43, for M50, 53. That is only possible when my cement is also 33, 43. That is why your cements are 33, not 32, not 37. Reason? Acceptance criteria. IRC 15. Average of the 4 sample should be more than 40 plus 3. So your cement should be 43.
Sir, but M20 grade, we have 35 grade, 23 grade.
So mainly, this is used mainly for M30 grade and above. M20 we can use anyone. And for M40 use 43 grade. And what Flaborsant 4.5 plus 3. So we have to take this part into the design also. When you are doing MIG, you have to take care of this point also. If you are purchasing RMC, don't tell the supplier, give me M40. Please tell him, give me M43 grade. If he give you 42, 41, your sample is failed. Correct, sir? Your average is concrete, 43. One sample can be this. Similarly, beam also. If you don't have a beam testing facility, take compressor strength, square root, I think everyone knows, into 0.7. दूसरा, for bridge person, please use 43 grade S cement, sleeper cement. Yellow portion 33, 43, 53 have same fineness, same setting time, but this bridge cement have double fineness, double setting time. Strength higher than 53, higher than 43. You can see here. 43 grade cement 7 day strength 37.5. 53 grade cement 37. We do pre-stressing at 7 day. This is 150 rupees more costlier. 100 rupees. So for bridge people, 5% fly ash. Now there is a single code IS 269. Earlier we have 3 code. I think everyone this also might be knowing. ठीक है सर, लेना तो ले लो फोटोज को. Now there is a maximum limit also. Earlier there was no maximum limit. Any strength more than 15 megapascal is rejected also today. Many are taking photos. Why we have done? To control variation. Because your variation is plus minus 15%. Variation कितना है सर? देखिए सर, मेरे साथ इसमें दिया हुआ.
So variation is okay, but if all load strength is more than.
ये देखिए क्या लिखा? प्लस माइनस 15%. दूसरा, वाई वी एफ एफ सी के प्लस 3, मालूम है आपको सर? ये 3 यहाँ 3 क्यों आया? वाई नॉट 4 ईयर, वाई नॉट 5 ईयर, वाई नॉट 6, वाई 40 प्लस 3. From where 3 has come? The 3 has come because you are also asking, sir, allow me some variation also. Sir, if I take M40 from you as an acceptance, then you are asking minus 15% also. तो मेरा तो डिजाइन स्ट्रेंथ कम हो जाएगा, तो मेरा स्ट्रक्चर तो फेल हो जाएगा. रूल के हिसाब से आज की डेट में आई हैव रिटन टू IRC आल्सो, दिस शुड बी 6. दिस शुड बी
95 point होना चाहिए.
यस, आज की डेट में ये 6 होना चाहिए सर. ये गलत है. ये कब का बना हुआ है? जब 1 to 4 कंक्रीट होता था पहले. 15-20 साल तक 1 to 4 कंक्रीट चला है. तो M20 का 15% कितना हो सर? 3. ये तब से 3 चला. If today you are doing M40 grade concrete, and as a real sense, as a honest person, if I am taking you 15% minus variation, am I doing justice to the civil engineering? It means my stuff. I am designed for M40 grade. You are giving M36 only. गलत है सर. सर 15 महीने से अलाउड है सर, लेकिन वो अपने पैर पे कुछ गाड़ी मारेगा तो फिर लेगा नहीं होगा. तो आज की डेट में kindly take this point when you are doing big DN. अब आप big DN करते हैं, your target is only 48, है ना? तो आपको देना कितना? 43. क्या आप कर पाओगे?